On April 9, 2023, a homeowner in Albuquerque, New Mexico caught this creepy footage at around 3 in the morning. The homeowner was asleep at the time, but woke up to the alarm of someone at his front door. As he opened up his camera, this is what he saw. A woman is seen walking up to a house and attempting to unlock the door with multiple keys. She tried several keys before proceeding to tap the camera with them. Her strange behavior makes it clear that she was under the influence of something or not in the right state of mind. Whatever it could have been, the homeowner stated that he had no idea who the woman was and had never experienced anything this strange before.